What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance tonight. I just wanted to take a second to show you a car that's pretty special. This is Mr. Doug Haynes. He's purchased this from us, and this is the, I want to say, second or third vehicle that he's bought from me personally, and he's also brought his GT 500 all the way up from Tennessee to do business with us here in our service department to upgrade. So this is his latest purchase from us. It's just the beginning of his project. I'm going to walk you around the car, tell you a little bit about what he got, and then I'll tell you a little bit of how I know Mr. Haynes. Starting with the car itself, it is a 300A, so you're gonna have dual power seats, backup camera, sync Bluetooth technology, and of course he had to have the 10R80 automatic transmission. It's incredibly fast and it's gonna be a lot more convenient for him than shifting gears in the Shelby that he has now. Under the hood, you're gonna see our Gen 3 5-liter, which makes 460 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. These cars have been known to break into the 11s bone stock. Doug has a lot of plans for this car, but we kept it pretty simple to start. The only thing that he had to have was a ROUSH exhaust, so I'm gonna take you back here and show you what that sounds like. Now this car is actually pretty special to me just because it means a lot to us when our customers reach out and support us through social media, and Doug is one of the biggest supporters that I've ever had. I've definitely known him since the very beginning of getting into the performance world, and he's been a big supporter all the way from the start until now. He's one of our top fans for sure, so he shares a lot of our stuff. We greatly appreciate that, and we appreciate you staying loyal to us and giving your business all the way from Tennessee. So the story with this is it's already bought, paid for, it's done. It will ship out. We're actually having it delivered to him down in Tennessee. They're gonna leave tomorrow and he'll have the car on Sunday. So we're very excited to get the car to you, and we'll be here for you to support you throughout your journey, no matter what you wanna do to it. Obviously give us a call anytime, and from all of us at Beechmont Ford Performance, thank you so much. We greatly appreciate it. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek and little behind the scenes story. If you would like to purchase a vehicle from us, you do not have to be local. Reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram. Whatever we can do to help, we're here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.